mic to the Beautiful Heart Foundation founder and president, Dr. Anacleto Melendez.
Thank you, Jake. First of all, I would like to extend my warm greetings to the Ilocanos. I love the Ilocanos. Mahal ko ang mga Ilocano simply because I am married to an Ilocana who hails from Ampari, Cagayan. So I love the Ilocano food, especially that was served earlier. I love the beautiful Ilocanas, our volunteer midwifery students, of course, our host, the birthday celebrant, Tony and Amy, and of course, Auntie for that beautiful opening prayer. Another naturopathic doctor, welcome to Ilocos, as if I'm the Ilocano here. Anyway, and the Flair director, and of course, our talents. And I would like to acknowledge my trained videographer, who's our driver last night. So,
thank you.
Let me go back to my wife's greeting here because I don't even know how to speak Ilocano, but I think she's extending her warm greetings. Great job. Agbiag tayo amin. Did I say it right? Tama ba yung sinabi ko? Agbiag, I thought agbayag. Anyway, I am very humbled to reach the province of Ilocos Sur again. This is my second time. In 2013, the Beautiful Heart Foundation conducted the medical mission in Narvacan, in the barangay of Apulugan. That was in coordination with the owners of the Philippine Health Sciences, Dr. George Cordero and Azucena Cordero Sabado. Now, here, my first time in the barangay Pugos of Cabugao, Ilocos Sur, and hopefully this is not the first and the last. We already envision that there will be more medical missions, especially in this forthcoming 2016 election. We are promoting our Kabisi party list. So we will promote, I think this is one of the formal launching of the Kabisi party list here in the town of Cabugao, Ilocos Sur. Anyway, without much further ado, I would like to end my talk by saying that here in your municipality, I can feel God's presence. We share not only our time and talent, but our treasure as well. I know the couple over the years have been supporting their hometown, despite the fact that they have succeeded in their business in the US, they are able to still come back and serve the poor Ilocanos here in their hometown. Again, I commend what you have been doing over the years, Tony and Amy, and keep up the good work. And of course, Jake Lavea, who is married to a local here.